Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate syrup at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you also have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your measuring cups and spoons ready to go. This recipe is incredibly easy and uses common pantry items. Now let's get cooking. In your medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of water. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue whisking constantly until the mixture comes to a full boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 1 minute, still stirring to prevent scorching. After simmering for 1 minute, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect time to add 1 full teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it in well to incorporate that wonderful flavor throughout the syrup. Now, the most important step for consistency. Let the syrup cool completely. It will seem thin when hot, but it thickens beautifully as it reaches room temperature, becoming that perfect pourable consistency. Your homemade chocolate syrup is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over your favorite ice cream, pancakes, or waffles. It's also fantastic stirred into a glass of cold milk for a refreshing chocolate drink. To store, simply transfer the completely cooled syrup into an airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 weeks, ready for your next sweet craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.